Hi, I'm Carolyne Dupré, and today I want to talk to you about guilt. Dun, dun, dun. Guilt. This human experience we all go through towards ourselves or others. So, what is guilt? Guilt is a message of wrongdoing, that I did something wrong. My actions are not okay, that my actions should not be as they are. So those messages that I tend to think about myself, like I should not be doing this. I did wrong. What did I think when I did that? So those messages that I stick to myself and that I identify with have an impact on my self-esteem, on my self-worth, on the trust towards myself, on the motivation to take action and to be taking care of myself. And those guilt messages that sometimes I receive, like you are doing this all wrong, I want to address those with you because they, as I said, they are part of the human experience and they have so much impact on the relationship towards ourselves and others. So what I propose is to experiment self-care and offer ourselves empathy. Self-empathy towards myself and compassion. How do I do that? Self-compassion? Because maybe for you it's easier to give compassion to others rather than to yourself. So I really feel compelled to share about this topic with you. Self-empathy towards myself. How do I do that? Well, sense inside my body all the physical sensation of tension, I'm feeling nervous and tensed and pressured, and all the stress that it's present when I'm identifying myself with those wrongdoing messages that I say to myself or that I receive. So why would we unravel the feelings and physical sensations? Because they're pointers. They point towards the unmet needs that are there below inside of us, that are all legitimate, because I do have a need for trust for myself, with others, and respect. The self-worth and self-esteem are also legitimate needs that we all have. So when those needs are not met, and that I'm feeling sadness and deception, and that I freeze and I'm not answering my emails anymore, or not answering the phone call of my colleague because there's this tension within the relationship. For example, if I'm with a colleague and we're in a project of in a team building project, and the guilt messages have so much impact within the relationship that the collaboration is not as present as I would like it to be. So those impacts are significant in any relationship. And so I'm really compelled to share with you about this topic and really want to elaborate and unravel this theme with you. So I'll be offering a workshop on January 24th of the following week, and I'll be at 6:30 p.m. offering this workshop at Flowland. So you can search it up on Facebook, Flowland Montreal, and that is located in at the address 5369 Boulevard St-Laurent. And I'll really be happy to welcome you and to express this human experience of guilt with you and share with you some strategies and exercises that will enable us to connect and go from those guilt messages to come out of them. So the theme is coming out of guilt, an NVC workshop with me, Carolyne Dupré, and it will allow us to hear those guilt messages and offer ourselves some self-care and self-compassion. So I'm feeling really enthusiastic to share that with you. So I invite you to, if you have questions or comments, to add them up below this video, and I'll really be joyful to welcome you at the workshop. I'll be adding the link at the top of this post, and so I'm wishing you really a sweet day. Okay, bye now.